welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. It's a celebration to Zanokuhle's fans after Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, reported she is coming back to our screen. She will be portraying Cindy on the coming telenovela The State that will replace Isidingo on SABC3 in April 2021. According to a statement, The State is a game-changing, gripping premium daily drama that probes the hot-button issues on every South African lives: land and identity, corruption, patronage, money old and new power, class and equality, all told through a colorful mix of South African families that fight for their space in this topical debate. Zanokuhle is known for her character as Lindy Madlabantu's daughter, Mbali, who was killed off early last year. She proved herself, guys, as the best actress after nailing her exit scene. She left many viewers glued on their small screen, waiting to see more of her. The State cast will include some of the best love actors in South African television, as well as some new faces that audience will love or fall in love with. The cast includes Stumom Jali, who is known as Busiso on Isibaya, Dineo Langa, Linda Sebezo, Joe, Eni Renake, and of course Zanokuhle Maseko. Congratulations guys to her. We can't wait to see her again. If you love her, send some love on the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.